Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. Not found is a message. It can be about a whole page or a piece of content at the page. So it can be page not found or content not found or sorry, nothing to display or could not load content. And you can use images instead of simple message. If you be creative and put surprising elements to your website, your users will love your website for that. You can turn boring pages in website into most entertaining pages. For example, when you get disconnected from internet, what does Google Chrome displays? It displays running dinosaur game, right? So even if there is nothing to show, we can still give users something to keep them engaged. I am going to show you another very simple but amazing example. So here is Google Fonts page, and if there is nothing to show, what will Google display? Let's see. So here are the categories for the fonts. If I select no category from here, you can see a character and message can't find any fonts. And then again, it is different character. And then again, it's a different character. And again, it's another character. Interesting, right? Different kind of characters each time when there is nothing to show. So there is nothing but still something to see and wonder. Aim for that kind of creativity while developing websites. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.